If we could run it back, and do you wonder if we could run it back? If we could run it, if we could run it back, and do you wonder if we could run all of the things I didn't know I had to get out down the road inside of the same old caught in the circles round they go. It's hard when you keep close, rewind with my eyes closed. Might need a breather, got lost in the B-roll. Let all the wind blow to learn how the world goes. We didn't know how to move on. If we could run it, if we could run it back, and do you wonder if we could run it back? If we could run it, if we could run it back, and do you wonder if we could run all of the things I didn't know I had to get out down the road inside of the same old caught in the circles round they go. It's hard when you keep close, rewind with my eyes closed. Might need a breather, got lost in the B-roll. We let all the wind blow to learn how the world goes. And we didn't know how to move on. My life is like a theater where she makes her appearance every day, and every day it's the same old play. She's the main character, the heartbreaker, the savior, and the one that got away. So far away, it's so close to me. And it is getting harder to mask these feelings that I harbor for her, 'cause she's just out of reach, even when she's right in front of me. And on the days when she's miles away, I can still see her face. I guess I'm a ghost and she is a dream, the most beautiful thing I've seen. And she's just out of reach, she's just out of reach. She's not too accepting, but I hope to be her one exception someday. But some days
Baby, I'm high low, found peace in a bottle. Can't tell you the sorrows inside of my head. I'll see you tomorrow, I hide all my problems. I never like talking, not even with friends. The liquor I'm mixing, low shot of your vixen. I'm tryna get in it to clear up my head. Got people I live for, got dreams I would die for, and not for all the people I hate. Cause I'm alone and nobody else knows it. I pour a glass of whiskey so I don't have to show it. And I got pain and nobody else knows it. I pour a glass of whiskey but I still can't control it. And I hate that I fake the smiling, but there's a lot of things that nobody knows. And I don't recommend you prying about things you don't know. Baby, I'm hollow, I finished the bottle. I still got these sorrows inside of my head. Won't see you tomorrow, I think it's a problem. I do this shit often, not even with friends. Look, shawty a vixen, I went and got in it. She off of my hit list and she inside my bed. Got people I die for, they say I should live more. Can't see all the good when I be feeling this hate. Cause I'm alone and nobody else knows it. I pour a glass of whiskey so I don't have to show it. And I got pain and nobody else knows it. I pour a glass of whiskey but I still can't control it. And I hate that I fake the smiling, but
Loving can hurt. Loving can hurt sometimes, but it's the only thing that I know. When it gets hard, you know it can get hard sometimes. It is the only thing that makes us feel alive. We keep this love in a photograph. We made these memories for ourselves, where our eyes are never closing, our hearts are never broken, and time's forever frozen still. So you can keep me inside the pocket of your ripped jeans, holding me closer till our eyes meet. And you won't ever be alone. Wait for me to come home. Loving can heal. Loving can mend your soul.